Hi, good evening campers, good morning or good afternoon depending when you're watching this, as we say. Welcome to another week behind the pictures. Thought we'd give you another update on how we're doing with the toilets this week. We were hoping there had been a little bit further on, but we're just waiting for some shower boards and bits and bats that haven't been delivered. But yeah, we're doing all right. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video, and then I'll catch up with you at the end. Cheers guys, enjoy. Well, that's another good day on the toilets and shower blocks. Been a bit of a mad day today. Plumbers messaged me at 7:30 this morning to say that they were coming at 8:30. There's been 3 of them on site. Plastered over here, Johnny, a friend of mine. Colin, lad who works for me, were here. So yeah, we've had a busy day. We'll show you what we've got done today.
Make this go away. I need a top shelf drink to set me straight, and a little bit of honey to make this go away. Don't even chew her prey, just swallow me whole. It's just a little bit of heartache, but that's just how it goes.
So yeah, the boiler's in place. Cracked on, to be fair, with that today. That should be up and running tomorrow. There's just a flue to fit, which is going through the roof up there in the eaves. Got the extract unit on today, vent axia, multi-room. So the toilets didn't have any ventilation in them before. There's no windows, and obviously the doors were closed, and there were no extraction. So we fitting an extractor unit, large fan that'll trickle all the time, and then when the lights come on it'll boost. So yeah, that'll pull out this room in the toilet. We've got all the drills ready to plasterboard, the oversized drills. And just a little bit of wiring to do in this room tomorrow. That'll like take 10 minutes, quarter of an hour. Build the stud for the toilet and the sink. This stud wall here that you can see, this is going to create a bit of a storeroom here, so all the boilers, fuse board, extract fan is all hidden in here. But yeah, it's easy accessible for maintenance and testing and everything. So yeah, there'll be a door at the end of here, where you can see my hand, and then we keep all this cleaning products in there, the stop taps in there. So all the services are now in there, hidden, where they were on show before, the fuse board and the stop tap. I mean, radiators are here, a couple of double radiators, so it should be toasty warm in these toilets. And then if we go next door, we've got the external lighting on. I've done that today, so that's looking pretty awesome. Nice and warm in here. I've got a heater on, just trying to, it's that cold, just trying to dry it all out. So as you can see, it's all been skimmed today. Some of the walls I've just got that wall to finish when he comes back Friday. The ducting's in, as you can see, for the extract. So there's one above the shower, one above the WC. There, spotlights. The large hole there's a speaker going in there, playing background music. Emergency light is the small hole. Yeah, shower tray, I've had that in today. I've got the all chopped out, so that's going to go through that concrete, out through there to pick the drains up. So that's all done. All the bracketry in for the mixer shower. And then like I say, on that ceiling out there, we're going to have a 300mm rainfall shower. And then like I say, as you can see, it's quite a large shower cubicle, all open, so it's like a wet room. So yeah, so by the end of this week, we shouldn't be miles away. Pipes are through, ready for the radiator. Yeah, pretty good. We've cracked on. We seem to be making headway now, which is a good thing. come in here where there's a bit of light. Yeah, we're making headway at last. Absolutely, that storm yesterday, I think it rained again for about an hour, so we just can't get on the field or doing the landscaping. That's going to be another couple of weeks off, I think. So it's come good really that plumbers come and cracked on, and that's the only bit that's out of my hands really is the boiler. Obviously it's got to be all certificated, so we can't do that, but obviously we do the electrics, got a plasterer, we do the normal plumbing, toilet, shower and everything. So yeah, we're cracking on. Another couple of weeks and these should all be totally complete and ready to go. Yeah, so we'll see where we are in a day or so.
It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, I'm tired that you changed, just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up, let it go. Morning, keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, cause I don't wanna think. By now, knock me right out, filling me up, dishes out of my mind. We're getting my confidence, I'm talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, but goddammit, I see her point. It's time to go home, I know. But when I close my eyes, I can bet my money it's her I'm gonna see, and it ain't that funny.
Yeah, well I hope you enjoyed that and see what we did work-wise. We've done most of it ourselves, me and Colin, Oliver, and then we've got a plastering. Like I said before, I'm not a plasterer, but I'll try most things, but I can't plaster for love life of me. But yeah, sorry about the lighting here, it's just temporary lighting at the minute. It's just skimmed the ceiling, if you can see, it's just drying out, lovely. But I'll spin you around and I'll give you a look at how far we've got so far. So we're still working with the old toilet there just for the trades on site. The renderers when they came, they rained off again to be fair. They need 2 or 3 days and they just haven't had it. But yeah, the ceiling's plastered, all wired. This is just a toilet, this one, just not the shower. We've created a service cupboard, as you can see. So that's good, it keeps everything nice and tidy. Just need to take a little bit off that door. As you can see, the boiler's fitting, the boiler's up and running and working. We have heat, we've got radiators, the extract fan's in place. We just need to change that fuse board because it's a bit outdated, and we need to put some RCD protection with it being a wet room shower area. So we're going to replace that this week. But yeah, it keeps everything nice and tidy. And everything sort of behind a locked door, the water, the gas, the electrics. So yeah, keeps it neat. So his plasterer's back tomorrow, and he's going to finish skimming these last 3 walls, and that's it. But we'll show you how we're doing in the next one. Just go back. We've got the new outside lighting on. Gone a little bit modern. The linear light, and then in here we're a little bit further on. Ceiling's all painted, all lighting's in, speakers in, all extract units are in. New WC, just waiting for the back panel to come for that. Then the top. Large shower. And then look at that for a shower head. Proper rainfall shower. So yeah, we love it in here, brilliant. Got the radiator on, that's kicking some heat out. So yeah, this one really, just we're waiting for the shower wall panels to come, or we're waiting for Julia, should I say, to pick some. And then once we've got the colour, we can order the basin cabinet, which is going in this corner. Can't order it, she wants to colour match it all. and then with a few things to do with the back of the toilet. That's going to probably tie into the same colour matching as the shower cubicle. But yeah, it's nice usable space, great big shower, so we made up. So yeah, we'd have liked to have been a little bit nearer, but it's just a matter of waiting for these panels to come. Once they're on, it's a quick couple of hour job to fit them, and then once we've got the colours, we can finish painting the colours, colour match it all, and then last job, finish the floor or start the floor, which we're going to put anti-slip ultra flooring down. We were going to put floor tiles, but they can be quite cold, so at least with the floor, the vinyl non-slip ultra flooring, it's not quite as cold on the feet. So yeah, we made up with this. We've really cracked on and feel like we're getting somewhere. And there's another box ticked. We now have showers, or a shower, so that's great going forward. You know, we could even open. Last year we didn't have any tents on the camping field whatsoever, because we didn't sort of advertise that we had tents, because we'd no shower block. But depending on how we go with filling up with motorhomes and caravans, nothing wrong against tents at all, but they do knock hell out of the grass. We'll see how we go. But yeah, it's an option now. We can have tents on site if we need to. Yeah, so there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this week's video again. As you can see, we are starting to make progress now. Some really busy weeks coming up ahead. We need to get out and do some edge cutting in the next week or so. Believe it or not, they're starting to grow pretty fast now, so we need to catch them. Finish these toilet blocks. Hopefully it dries up enough to do the landscaping. So there should be plenty of content coming over the next few weeks. And yeah, we'll see where we go from there. So don't forget, once again, if you've enjoyed it, give us a like, give us a subscribe, ring that bell. It really does help the channel immensely if you can. And we'll see you all next week, and have a great week, guys. Enjoy yourselves, and if you're out and about, happy camping. See you later, guys. Bye bye.